Rick's Body getting active. Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start your day, whatever time it may be. We're in the S650 E85 tune. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but we chopping. We are gonna be headed to a little late night car meet as well as some late night Mexico action. We're gonna hopefully get the first runs in with the S650, see how she does. Essentially tune only, E85, and then we're gonna go ahead and get some more runs in when we get some more modifications on the vehicle. If you guys enjoy, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. So far, very happy with the performance with the E85 tune. Definitely woke up the car. Feels like a completely different vehicle, which is a good thing. More power, more responsive, and that ghost cam does sound pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not really one for the ghost cam tune, but with the exhaust set up the way it is right now, it sounds good. I don't know what it's gonna sound like once I do a cat delete. Maybe headers as well with dumps. Might sound a little bit too loud, but as of right now, it's nice. It's like do 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 do. See what we can get into tonight, y'all. We got a Camaro up here, 6th gen. Is it a ZL1 or is it an SS? It's definitely an SS. The tires are small. And he's turning. Oh well. Now there actually is another meet, a higher horsepower meet going on tonight, depending on how this one goes, because they're kind of all in the same area. I might switch out vehicles. I might go home, pick up the Shelby GT350, because that one is going to be late. So we'll see, y'all. Might be recording 2 vids at the same time, or not really at the same time, but 2 vids in one night, which is good, efficient. Love when that happens. It is fun actually having a tuned bolt-on car now, though. I'll tell you that right now. God damn! That fool is flying in that truck, bro. Like, Jesus Christ! Slow it down. Cannot wait to get the full drag pack and some additional modifications to spice this car up. Right now, I'm really happy with it. Oh, somebody's driving with their hazards on. What's going on up here? What are you doing, fool? Driving with the hazards on. Like that, it does feel nice, but once that drag pack goes on, I can kiss that goodbye.
One eternity later.
All right, we're about to pull up to the meet back on my old side of town, which is pretty dope. Hopefully there's some nice bolt-on cars to run. Otherwise, your boy is going to go back home and pick up the Shelby, the GT350.
Make a U-turn.
And go run some other higher horsepower cars. The thing is, I'm kind of tired of racing Mustangs, man, in the Shelby GT350. You know, this car, you know, it just got tuned. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt, but I'm not trying to run any more Mustangs, man. I'm trying to run some Feds, some Camaros, you know, something different, man, because I've been running nothing but Mustangs for literally like the past 2 months. It's honestly kind of nuts. I mean, it's cool. I get it. It's Texas, you know, American muscle, you know, land of the free, home of the brave. But I'm really trying to go ahead and run some other stuff. Like with the bolt-on cars, like you can run like a lot of different vehicles, man. Like Veds, Camaros, whatnot. That's right. I pulled in the back here. I went to this meet like a couple of weeks ago.
Arrived.
C8 might be a good run, low key. A C8 might be a damn good run, honestly. That was a GT350 right there. I definitely hit that pothole. Thank God I wasn't going quick.
What's up, man?
Yo, what up? Thank God I did not hit that pothole fast. Alright, well, I don't know what the sparking situation is gonna be like, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a second when I figure this out. Let's see what we got here, y'all. That'd be a badass race for the Shelby. That'd be a badass race for the Shelby. Oh man, that'd be a good run. Back over there. No parking. What up, bro? Oh shit. Slow it down. That was almost bad. That was almost bad. GT350. That might actually be a nice rerun now that I'm tuned. Another one as well. We'll see what we can get into tonight, y'all. Got my clean on the bead lock.
A few moments later.
shit is actually fucking quick now. Oh my God. That fourth gear is cracked in that. All right, it's the next day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those runs. The tune woke up the MT82 S650. 355 gears, this is pretty nasty. So if you are not tuned, I highly recommend going ahead and buying the device as well as a tune from a reputable performance shop online. But if you do live in the Texas area or, you know, Houston, New Caney, go to Pat Built Performance, get sauced up. I'm very, very happy with the performance with the S650. A lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. I don't know how much power that Neon made, but we were able to take out two 10-speed Mustangs, and I feel like that is exactly what people wanted to know. If the MT82 S650, essentially tune only, can outrun a 10-speed, and yes it can. This car has on the stock wheels and tires. I have all four of my drag tires here. I'm just waiting on the wheels to show up. Apparently the wheels actually needed to be built, so it might take like another week to get here. Hopefully not. Hopefully I get like the tracking information like within the next day or two, because I'm really trying to get them thrown on. I want to get some more runs in. I want to try out a Shelby GT350, preferably like on E85, or honestly I'll even do like a headers cold air intake E85 setup. Essentially what this car was when it was NA. I'm really curious to see if the S650 with a drag pack, full drag pack, front as well as back, tune on E85, I might have the cat fleet by then, but if not, if it can beat that tune only with the drag pack, I'd be very, very, very impressed with the performance, and I would definitely go get headers with this, because if this can outperform what this car was doing NA, this will be a nasty and a very fun all motor car to have. And you know, there'll be a lot of runs because, you know, it's all motor, and not that many people are aware that these are tunable now. Everybody still thinks they're just locked up on E30, so it could be some really, really interesting content. If you guys are excited, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. If you have the means to get tuned and you want to get tuned, I highly recommend going ahead and doing it now, and then go out there and surprise some cars, because these things are quick. Let me tell you that right now. They're quick with just a tune.